channel or welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. My name is Diona and I'm going to be installing this wig that you see on my head today. And I got this wig from Klaiyi hair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So this is a 24-inch 180 density 7x5 wear and go wig. So this is what it looks like on my head. It's 7x5, meaning the parting goes from like side to side like that. So this is what the wig looks like. So it comes pre-plucked and it comes pre-bleached for you. So you really don't have to do anything. That's why it's called wear and go. It is pre-plucked, it is pre-cut, and it is pre-bleached. The inside of the wig has a adjustable band, and it also has the film around like the edge of the band to keep it from slipping and sliding. There's one comb in the back of the wig, which is really helpful because this is usually the only comb that I use, which is in the back because it keeps it from sliding. And it's on a dome cap, and the wig is constructed really, really well. So Klaiyi is actually having a sale November 20th to the 24th because we know it's Black Friday. They're actually giving people 26% off, a huge discount for my subscribers and anyone who orders this wig or a wig from them during their sale. So all that information is going to be in the description box below. And then also I just wanted to show you what comes in the box with the hair because all the customers will be getting this. So this is what the box looks like, and they're giving away this gift. Well, first you get, of course, your typical wig cap, edge band, and brush. And then they also give you a dust bag like this that says Klaiyi. But then they're also giving away a comb set that comes in this bag like this. So first it has this kind of brush here. It looks like this. Oh, I like this brush. This is a nice brush. Actually, it's curved, but you'll get this kind of brush. It comes with a clip like this that says Klaiyi, so you can do like that. That's cute. And then it comes with this other brush that has like bristles on the inside. Ooh, hold on, this is a good brush. Oh my gosh, this brush is amazing. Okay, we love that. And then you also get a clip like this. You get, ooh, a comb like this. So you have like the smaller tooth comb and then a wider tooth comb like this. That's cute. Ooh, and then also a rat tail comb. Ooh, I need a new one of these. It's like Christmas. Oh, it kind of is Christmas because it's Black Friday sale, but I'm excited. Look, y'all, I be thrilled by the little things. It's the little things for me. This is cute. And then you get another one of these clips. But yeah, you will get these in the box too. Let me go and take this off before I crease my hair. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing how easy it was for me to install this wig, then you gotta keep on watching. All right, so jumping into the video. Maybe I should just start coming on here with my wig cap already on instead of having to slide off my bonnet and embarrass myself every single time. I'll keep that in mind for myself for next year. But what I'm doing now is I'm just sliding on my wig cap, pulling it big like so. And then I'm taking my Ruby Kisses makeup and my flat top brush, and I'm just coloring my wig cap. I'm like pressing the color in. So I came up with a new technique because I noticed before when I would like drag the color on, it would be hard for the color to like, I don't know, pick up, and I would use a lot of product, but pressing it into the wig cap is just a lot easier and more of the product is used. You know, like all the product that builds up in the brush and stuff is used on the actual wig cap. So yeah, this is the new way. So I'm like poking my head with the freaking brush, but it works. So I'm just gonna slide the wig on. So I forgot about that. There is a comb in the back. And that's all I need, really. I don't ever use the side combs. I just need that back comb. and we have one, so this is perfect. All right, so this is what the wig looks like, just fresh out of the box. No tender love and care, no need. It's just a Morticia wig. Woo. And so this is a Yaki Straight wig, so it's kind of like kinky, but more straight. So kinky straight has more like kinks in it, but this Yaki Straight here, like you can see the kinks, but it's not as heavy as the kinky straight hair. And I love that because when you flat iron this hair, it lays so flat. So I'm actually excited to flat iron it and see how it flat irons and see what it looks like. But I'm just gonna make sure this is comfortable on my head, and it is. And now the install process is done. These installs always take a few seconds. It literally takes like 1, 2, 3. It's nothing else left for me to do but just style the hair to my liking. But if you like to wear the hair like this, like you could just put some makeup like across the hairline like that so it blends in, and you'll be good to go. You can wear it just like this if you want to, but I don't, so let's get into it. All right, so I decided I am going to keep this hair as a middle part. It's something about straight hair and a middle part that I love. The hair is already parted, so I really don't need to do anything else there. If I wanted to make the part longer, I absolutely could, which I think I am, because I do like a long part like that. But now I'm just going to do my baby hairs. So for my baby hairs, instead of using the gel right away, I want to start with my Fuji mousse. And this is because I want to try to do the fluffy baby hairs with this. And so I'm going to take a little mousse. I may just cave in and do my gel, but I'm going to try it. Alright, so I'm going to start by flat ironing my hair in sections. Look how flat it is at the top. That's nice. This feels like my natural hair. Like when you flat iron it, like I really, like it looks like it. Like, I think I'm going to like this. Already I can see the difference in sides. Look at this side and then look at this side. Alright, so this is what the bottom half looks like when it's flat iron. Let me show you the back. It's so silky. Well, it's like it's silky, but then it's not because it is still yaki, but it looks like my natural hair. It's like that texture. Like it looks like I got it pressed out. Like it's so pretty. Now I'm just gonna move along to the top of my head. Ooh, that heat got a little close to the scalp. And that is this hair, folks. Let's get a good little glimpse at the back. A little glimpse at the back. Woo, 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 woo. Yes. Oof. Okay. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is take my edge brush and just lift this up. Because like I said, I wanted soft baby hairs. So, lifting that. And now I'm just taking my cream makeup and I'm gonna go on top of that. And then now I'm just taking my concealer. This is my Fenty concealer. What color is this? 345. I'm just gonna put it along my part. Starting from back here. And that is it. And that is it. Look at this hair. It is so silky. If you're looking for like a nice black everyday wig that you could just throw on and it looks like your natural hair, you can throw it on and go. I definitely recommend this hair. I can like tuck it behind my ear and it looks really cute, especially with like the soft baby hairs. It is doing everything that I needed it to do. I don't have any issues with tangling or anything like that. Like this hair is nice. It's definitely a yaki texture, so when you feel it, it feels textured instead of like silky. It's a yaki, so this is what helps it look more like your natural like hair texture. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below, and that is it. Adios till next time.